Flax is a fiber crop native to Egypt. It has been part of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries in Asia. The benefits of flax seeds are equally impressive, as they are rich in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds also possess powerful antioxidants in the form of lignans. They may help manage diabetes and reduce the risk of several cancers. That's not it. They are also thought to induce weight loss and improve heart and digestive health. Flaxseed is considered a functional food and contains bioactive compounds like lignans and alpha-linolenic acid. In addition, flaxseed contains many plant compounds such as phenolic acids, ferulic acid, gallic acid, and chlorogenic acid, and flavonoids. Flax seeds and chia seeds are nutrient-dense food sources with many similar benefits. So what is the difference between these two seeds? Scroll down to find out. Though they differ in their nutritional values, both these seeds offer numerous health benefits. Scroll down to find the health benefits of flax seeds in the following section. 1. Cancer prevention. Several studies on postmenopausal women showed that supplementing diets with flax seeds could reduce the risk of breast cancer. The seeds may also reduce tumor growth in patients with breast cancer. In addition, the omega-3 fatty acids in the seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that help in this regard. Lignans were also found to reduce the growth of cancerous tumors. Research also shows that flax seeds may help prevent prostate cancer. 2. Diabetes treatment. Studies showed that flaxseed supplementation lowered fasting blood sugar levels by 20%. More importantly, the seeds contain mucilage, which is a gel-forming fiber that can slow digestion and the resultant release of glucose into the blood. Preliminary studies have also shown that flax seeds can delay the onset of diabetes mellitus. They contain a compound called SDG, which would reduce the risk of type 1 diabetes and delay the onset of type 2 diabetes. 3. Weight loss. As flax seeds are rich in fiber, they can aid weight management. The seeds also contain omega-3s. Studies show that omega-3s may suppress appetite and improve satiety, and this may help in weight loss. The lignans in flax seeds are also believed to boost metabolism, which may aid weight loss. However, more research is needed to understand the mechanism. Studies also showed that flax seeds could increase fat excretion, thereby decreasing the amount of fat content in the body. This may promote weight loss. 4. Enhanced digestive health. Animal studies showed that flaxseed supplementation in the diet could promote the health of gut flora. The soluble fiber in flax seeds could aid digestion as well, although supporting research is limited. Ground flax seeds are believed to work better as eating them whole can make them pass through your system without getting digested. The most common use of flax seeds involves their laxative properties. This means the seeds can make you poop. They can also help treat constipation, but ensure you drink enough water after consuming them. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds can help reduce inflammation and protect the lining of the GI tract. In people with healthy digestive systems, the seeds promote beneficial gut flora. Further research is needed to understand the benefits of omega-3s and their connection to gut flora. 5. Protect the heart. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds have been found to cut the risk of coronary heart disease. They also help improve the functioning of the arteries. A Costa Rican study showed that individuals consuming more of ALA, the type of omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds, had a lower risk of a heart attack. 6. Strength in hair. Brittle hair is often attributed to a lack of omega-3 fatty acids in the diet. As flax seeds are rich in these fatty acids, as per animal studies, they were found to strengthen hair, improve hair coat quality, and combat hair fall. They can also help prevent a condition called cicatricial alopecia, which is a permanent hair loss condition caused by inflammation. You can prepare hair gel using flax seeds. Boil 2 cups of water. As the water begins to boil, add 4 tablespoons of flax seeds to it. Cover the pot with a lid and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Turn the heat off and strain the infusion. Apply the resultant gel to your scalp every morning and then wash as usual after 20 minutes. Ensure you do not consume in excess of flax seeds as they may cause certain undesirable side effects.